Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to add a payment method on TikTok, in today's video we are going to provide you a visual guide on that. So without any delay, just dive right in and get started. Open up TikTok for that. You need to access the TikTok application for that and go to your profile of your TikTok in the bottom right corner. Like this right here. So go to your profile. And once you go to your profile, you can look out for the menu option, usually in the top right corner. Find it up. And once you find it up, you just need to look out for the option called settings and privacy, or directly look out for balance as well. Let's head over to settings and privacy for this one. Now, once you open up your settings and privacy, what you need to do is basically look out for the payment section option in your TikTok. So once you are here, you may look out for wallet or balance, or let's basically head over to the balance option from asset section right here and tap on it. Now, once you go to asset section right here, you need to look out for add payment method option. You should be finding estimated balance and your coins, etc. Right here, you can look out for your coins option and go ahead and tap on it. And under coins, you will be provided like how much balance you would like to add. For example, $5, and tap on recharge. And once you tap on recharge, you need to select up a payment method. You will be given an option to add credit card or debit card. Tap on add credit or debit. And then the space opens up. Now you just need to provide in your necessary details such as your card number. You can even scan it out, your security code, and your expedition date. Once that is done, just go and tap on safeguard. And by continuing, you will be agreeing to the Google's terms and conditions, and your payment method will be added on TikTok. And that's it. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.